Unlock the full potential of your home internet with the AT&t All-Fi Hub. Let's get it set up and boost your connectivity. First things first, unbox your AT&t All-Fi Hub and its power adapter. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the device. You'll find ports for power and an Ethernet cable, if you plan to use a wired connection. Now, plug the power adapter into the designated port on the back of the All-Fi Hub. Once secured, connect the other end to a working electrical outlet. The hub will power on, indicated by a blinking light. Next, locate your existing AT&t modem or router. You'll need to connect the All-Fi Hub to it. Grab an Ethernet cable. One end plugs into an available LAN port on your modem or router, and the other end of that same Ethernet cable connects to the designated Ethernet or WAN port on your AT&t All-Fi Hub. This establishes the foundational link for your enhanced network. Allow the hub a few minutes to boot up and establish a connection. You'll see the indicator lights on the front of the All-Fi Hub change from blinking to solid, signifying it's ready for configuration. Now grab your smartphone or tablet, go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for a new network name, usually starting with AT&t, followed by a unique identifier. Select this network. You'll be prompted to set up your new Wi-Fi network. You can customize your Wi-Fi name, your SSID, and create a strong, secure password. It's recommended to choose something memorable but difficult to guess. Enter your chosen Wi-Fi name and password into the respective fields, and tap to save or connect. Your All-Fi Hub is now actively broadcasting your enhanced Wi-Fi network. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your AT&t All-Fi Hub. Now, connect all your devices to this new, optimized network for a seamless and expansive online experience throughout your home.